In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel tank straps on this Ford Fusion. These will be mounted under your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the rear of the vehicle and locate the fuel tank. You're going to find on that fuel tank you have two fuel tank straps to replace. There's one over here on the driver's side and the other one's over on the passenger side. The process is the same for each. Before removing your fuel tank strap, you want to make sure you support the fuel tank, especially on the side that you're removing the strap from. We're going to do these straps one at a time. After applying support, you can move to either the front or the rear of the strap and start removing the mounting hardware. We'll be starting up along the front here. You can see our 13mm headed mounting bolt. As we're removing the final bolt, make sure you're holding onto the strap so it does not fall down and potentially hurt you. There it is, friend. With the strap out of position, the next thing we need to do is clean and inspect the mounting points. Just use a wire brush if necessary. That one looks good. Let's continue on to the next port. That looks good as well. Now let's have a quick look at our fuel tank straps. On one side of each of the straps, you're going to find some writing. What we're looking for is the very last character on that writing. You're going to find that one of the straps has an A, the other one has a B. The one with the A is for the driver's side of the fuel tank, and the B is for the passenger side. Now, since we're using strap B for the passenger side, we can start getting this in position, starting with the rear of the strap. For this, if you were to look at the very end where the mounting bolt will go, strap B has a much longer tab here, and that will be facing towards the rear. Let's get this up against the tank, up against the body of the vehicle, and start in the mounting bolt. Now we can take the rest of the strap, bring it along the bottom of the fuel tank all the way over to the next mounting point. Once they're both started in, snug them up. The torque for each of these is 18 foot-pounds. Now we can remove support from under this side of the fuel tank. Okay friend, we finished the installation of one of our fuel tank straps. The process for one is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, make your way out from under the vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.